Okay, everyone, let's start. I think everything is visible online. I hope everyone can see things. Yes, please comment across so that I'll also get to know. Now, people, before that, I want to do something. I need to check the comments right once again. Otherwise, it will be just 1 second. We'll start off. Yeah, I can see the comments also. Yes, Swati, everyone. Good evening. We will start off. First one, people. Yesterday we were discussing the basic properties of probability. Now we are going directly towards random variable. Now, before going towards that, I want to just tell you what is the total probability. Total probability is sigma p of x, which is equal to how much? 1. So always the total probability value is equal to how much now? 1. Yes. Hello, vanakkam. Yes, namaskara. Next one, people. The major topic from this random variable is expectation of x. Expectation is also called by another name. What is that name? Mean. Mean of x or expectation of x. The formula for expectation of x is what? Sigma x into p of x. Okay. So x value we will multiply it with what? The probability value. Then click m plus x into p of x. M plus likewise we will use the calculator to get the answer in very few steps. Now, people, I'll take you to the first question. Based on that, we will talk. First one, people. A die is thrown once. A die is thrown once means the corresponding x values will be what? So, if I throw a die, one possibility is I will get 1. Then another possibility is what? I'll get 2. Another possibility is 3. Then 4. Then 5. Then 6. So in general, what we are doing here in random variable, we are giving a numerical value to all our x values. That is the basic thing. Okay. Now, p of x. What is the probability of getting a 1 when we are tossing a die for 1 time? Answer is what? 1 by 6. What is the probability of getting a 2 when we are tossing a die for 1 time? 1 by 6. This is also 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. Now, people, we need to find what? The question is mathematical expectation, or it is called as what? E of x. So, what is the formula? Sigma x into p of x. So, sigma x into p of x means 1 into 1 divided by 6 plus 2 into 1 divided by 6 plus 3 into 1 divided by 6 plus 4 into 1 divided by 6 plus 5 into 1 divided by 6 plus 6 into 1 divided by 6. If you ask me, 1 by 6 is common everywhere. I can take that out also. That is also possible. I'll take 1 by 6 outside. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. How much is the answer, people? 3.5. 3.5. Take your calculator. Please do that. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is how much? That is how much now? 21. 21 divided by 6, which is equal to 3.5. So expected value is how much? 3.5. I hope you got it. Envit, you got it. Swati, you got it. Rest of you, are you getting it? Next question, people. Have a look here. A player tosses 3 fair coins. Okay, how many fair coins are there? 3 coins are getting tossed. He wins 5 rupees if 3 heads appear. 3 rupees if 2 head appear, 1 rupee so if 1 head occurs. On the other hand, he loses 15 rupees if 3 tail occur is the question. Now, people, the expected gain or the expected value we need to find. First of all, you tell me x values I'll get. When I am tossing a coin for 3 times, okay, you tell me there can be a possibility of 0 head. Then there can be a possibility of 1 head. There can be a possibility of 2 head, and there can be a possibility of 3 head. Can there be possibility of 4 head? Yes, Aditya. Can there be a possibility of 4 head? No. Why? Because we are only tossing it for how many times? 3 times. Yes. Now, what is the probability value of getting 0 head when I am tossing coin for 3 times? What are the sample space? Head, head, head. Then head, head, tail, then head, tail, head, then tail, head, head, then tail, 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 then tail, head, tail, 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 head. Then what is remaining? Head, tail, tail. So in total, how many are there? 8 are there. 0 head is happening when? When it is tail, tail, tail. So it will be what? 1 by 8. N of s is always what? 2 raised to 3, which is 8. So it will be 1 by 8. It is 8 only, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Now, one head happens how many times? One head happens here, here, and here. It is what? 3 by 8. Then two head happen how many times? 1, 2, 3. That is 3 by 8. Then 3 heads happen how many times? 1 by 8. So these are the probabilities. Now, are we talking about the expected outcome of getting head? No. We are talking about the amount value he is going to receive. Okay. Amount value. So we will write, instead of this x, I'll put x over here because we are not concerned about the amount. Now people, if 0 head appear, what will happen? He loses 15 rupees. That means minus 15. Okay. If 1 head appear, how much gain he is getting? 1 rupee. That means plus 1. Then if 2 head appear, how much rupees he is getting? 3. Then if 3 heads appear, how much gain is rupee? Plus 5. People, these are the given x values. The corresponding p of x values are also given. Now we need to find what the e of x. E of x is nothing but sigma x into p of x, which is equal to first case. So use calculator only. 15 into 1 divided by 8, m plus or m minus. M plus or m minus? M minus. Why m minus? Because x value is negative. Okay. Everyone online, are you getting it? Please tell me. Then next one. 1 into 3 divided by 8, m plus. 3 into 3 divided by 8, m plus. Then finally 5 into 1 divided by 8, m plus. Click what? MRC. How much are you getting, people? So you are getting 0.325. 0.25. So which option is the right answer? Option B is the right answer. Understood the method? So people, you should be lucky. If you get a question based on random variable, that means expected value of x. You are lucky. I'm telling you, just calculator, within seconds you are getting the answer. But you should know the basic probability of tossing a die, tossing a coin and all. You should know the basics. Then you will get the answer. Otherwise, you will not get the answer. Next one. On a commodity exchange, when booking trades, with a provision for a stop, a trader can make a profit of 50,000 rupees or incur a loss of 20,000. So what are the possibilities? Either he can make a profit of 50,000 or a loss of minus 20,000. Loss means minus, negative we should consider. The probability of making a profit, people, we will just draw the box. Now two possibilities are there. Profit is there, then loss is there. So two possibilities are there. Okay. Now x value. If we make a profit, how much is getting the plus 50,000. If we make a loss, how much is losing? Minus 20,000. Now p of x value is how much? The probability of experience is not to be, probability of making a profit and incurring loss in the past experience is not to be 0.35 and 0.65. Now we need to find the expected profit is how much is the question. People, how will you do it? P of E of x is equal to what? Sigma x into P of x. So here it will be 50,000 into 0.35 m plus, then 20,000 into what? 0.65 m plus or m minus? M minus. Then click MRC. How much are you getting? How much? 500. Okay. Actually, this was a wrong question from the previous year. Okay. Now, in the wrong question, there was some other values given. Now, here, how much is the nearest answer you will go for? If you ask me, you should go for the nearest answer, which is 30,000. Option C. Answer is what? Our answer is 4,500. But the nearest option is what? 30,000. Okay, it's a wrong. Options are given wrongly in this particular question. Okay. So method is correct, right? Everyone understood the method. So this is the method, online people. Yes. Next one. So that is mathematical expectation. Now few things are there along with that. Since it is revision, we are going to revise that part also. So you need to know how to find variance of x. Okay, variance of x is what? There is a formula for variance of x. That is nothing but e of x square minus e of x the whole square. Now e of x, we already know the formula. What is the formula for that? Sigma x into p of x. Then what is this e of x square? That is nothing but sigma x square into p of x. Okay, that is e of x square. So once you reduce that from e of x the whole square, you will get the answer for variance. So how to find standard deviation? After finding variance, you will take the root. Now for this question, can you find me variance? How for this particular question, can you find me variance? So how to find variance? The variance formula is what? VAR of x is equal to sigma. PDF will be attached. Yesterday's it is already attached. From there you can download. After today's class, I'll attach the entire PDF with the written notes. Today it will be there in the description after the class. If you check yesterday's live, it will already be there in the description of yesterday's live. Okay. Now variance is what? E of x square minus e of x the whole square. Now we need to find e of x square. How to find e of x square? That is nothing but sigma x square into p of x. Now you tell me what are the x square values here. First the x value is how much now? We will write it if required. X square is how much? 1 square is how much? 1. Then 2 square is how much? 4. Then 9, 16, 25. Then 36. Likewise, all the x square values are there. Now how to find e of x square? Very easy. So take the calculator. That is 1 into 1 divided by 6 m plus. Then what? 4 into 1 divided by 6 m plus. Then 9 into 1 divided by 6 m plus. Then 16 into 1 divided by 6 m plus. Then 25 into 1 divided by 6 m plus. Then 36 into 1 divided by 6 m plus. Then click MRC. How much is it?
15.16.
MRC is equal to 15.16. Everyone got 15.16. So that is the first value. So that is how much now? That is 15.16 minus 3.5 the whole square. How much is the answer for variance? You tell me. How much is it? How much is it? Please tell me.
2.91.
2.91 is your variance. That's the method for finding variance. Now you understood how to get variance, how to get expected value of x. Two things are done. So that means if you know this much, your random variable is completed. Whatever question they ask, you can answer it very fast. Okay. Now here people, there are few properties of expected value of x. That is again revision part of it. That is e of k. That means e of phi. Expected value of a constant value will be how much? Constant itself. What if it is like e of 16? It will be 16 itself. Now, what if it is like this? E of x plus e of y. That means e of x plus y can be written as what? Expected value of x plus expected value of y. Now, e of x into y can be written as what? E of x multiplied with e of y. Then similarly, what if the question is like this? E of 15 plus 2x. Okay. So how will you write it? This can be written as, this is a constant. So you will directly write it as a constant plus 2 is a constant outside, then e of x. There was a question in the previous year based on this property. Okay. Anyway, we have solved it in our class already, but still I am revising it for you guys. Next one. Bayes theorem. Okay. So everyone knows the formula of Bayes theorem and all, but we usually will not take the formula directly and we will not solve the question based on that. I'll show you how we are going to solve with respect to a question. Now, have a look at the first question, people. There are 3 bags. Okay, 3 bags are there in total. Bag 1 consists of 3 red and 4 white balls. So how many red balls are there? 3 red and 4 white balls are there. Then bag 2 contain 4 red and 5 white balls. Bag 3 contain 5 red and 2 white balls. Then if one ball is drawn at random, so how many balls we are taking down? One ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the ball selected from back to, given that the selected ball is red? So two questions are there. What are the question? The probability that the ball is selected from second back and the selected ball is what? Red. So how to solve this? I'll just take you directly. First of all, people, we should consider all the possibilities. Okay, we should consider all the possibilities. What all possibilities are there? I am choosing, first case I'll take which one? The bag 1. Bag 1. What is the probability of taking one bag from 3 bag? Choosing one bag from 3 bag. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. We studied that. So I am choosing first bag. 1 by 3 into. I chose red ball from bag 1. So in total, how many balls are there? 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. So in the denominator, it will be what? 7. Then what is the probability of choosing a red ball? It will be 3 by 7 plus. Now, second bag I should choose. How many ways I can choose the second bag? 1 by 3. Probability of choosing second bag is how much? 1 by 3 into. What is the question? We should choose a red ball. That means how many red balls are there? 4 red ball. In total, how many are there? 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9 plus. Next one. What is the probability of choosing the third bag? 1 by 3 into. How many red balls are there? 5 red ball. Divided by, in total, how many balls are there? 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7. So 1 by 3 into 5, that is the denominator part. N of S is this much. Okay. Now people, the question is what? If one ball is drawn from random, what is the probability that the ball is selected from back to? People, we are choosing back to. Back to means 1 by 3 into. Probability of choosing back to is what? 1 by 3 into. What is the probability of choosing red ball? That is how much? 4 divided by 9. Now take your calculator, start solving it and give me the answer. I hope you understood the method. Whatever may be the question based on Bayes' theorem, you can use this approach to get the answer, and it is very rare that you will get a question based on this. What is the answer? Option A.
0.28.
0.28. So how are you going to calculate? First calculate the entire denominator. So how to calculate that? It can be written as 3 divided by 3, it will get cancelled. So 1 divided by 7, m plus. Then 4 divided by 3 divided by 9, m plus. 5 divided by 3 divided by 7, m plus. Then click MRC. How much you got? The denominator, point. Some value you got in the in your calculator. Let it be there. Now take the numerator value. 4 divided by 3 divided by 9. That means you got the numerator. Then after getting the numerator, divided with what? MRC, you will get the answer. How much is the answer? 0.28. So easy calculator method, easy trick if you ask me. Yes. But there is a very rare chance that they will ask a question based on Bayes' theorem for your examination. Okay. Very, very rare. Now, odds in favor of an event. Okay. Very important part. Anyway, I will just revise every concept based on that. Odds in favor. If they are telling, if the odds in favor of an event are given by A is to B. Okay. Then what is the probability of with respect to A? That will be what the probability of that event to occur will be A divided by A plus B. For example, the odds in favor of you getting a correct answer in an examination, in your examination is what? How many options are there in total? 4 options are there. In that, there will be 1 correct answer, there will be 3 wrong answers. So odds in favor of you getting a correct answer is what? 1:3. Okay. Now from that, probability of getting a correct answer will be what? 1 divided by 1 plus 3. So answer is 1 by 4. Now my next question. What is the probability of getting a wrong answer? This second term, 3 divided by 1 plus 3. That is how much? 3 divided by 4. So P of A will be 1 by 4 and P of A complement will be 3 by 4. Remember this. Okay. That is odds in favor of an event. Now, what if the question they are giving odds against an event? Odds against an event A is to B, when it is given like A is to B, you can say that P of A will be what? The B by A plus B. Then P of A complement will be what? A divided by A plus B. Remember this way. So it will be easily giving you the answer inside the examination hall. Now why A plus B? Because N of S value is what? Always A plus B. Then in favor means we will take the first term as P of A. Okay. Against means we will take the second term for P of A. Remember this. Okay. Now we will solve a question. Look at the question. This one we'll solve first. Odds in favor of an event A in a trial is 3:1. That means P of A will be how much? 3 divided by 3 plus 1, which is equal to how much? 3 by 4. Okay, P of A is 3 by 4. Then P of A complement is how much then? 1 minus 3 by 4, or you can directly take it as 1 divided by 3 plus 1, which is how much? 1 by 4. Anyway, you can take it, you will get the answer. Now the question is, the probability of no occurrence of the event is how much is the question in 3 independent trial paper. I am trying for 3 times and all the 3 times I am failing. No occurrence means failing failing or complement we should consider. First time I am attending, I am failing. And second time I am attending, I am failing. Into third time I am attending and I am failing. That means P of A complement into P of A complement into P of A complement, which is how much? 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, which is equal to how much? 1 by 64. Which option is the right answer? Option A is your right answer. What if people, the question was like this. First 2 times you fail, but third time you will win. That means P of A complement into P of A complement into P of A. Okay. Then they will give another case. First time you pass. Second time and third time you will fail. That means P of A into P of A complement into P of A complement. Got the logic? Yes. Perfect. Now have a look at this question. The odds that a book will be favorably received by 3 independent reviewers are 5:2. Favorably received means odds in favor. Okay. First, there are 3 independent reviewers, right? We will call them A, B, C. Let them be A, B, C. Then P of A will be how much? P of A liking the book. Okay, is how much? 5 divided by 5 plus 2, which is 5 by 7. Then P of A complement will be how much then? 2 by him not liking the book will be how much? 2 by 7. Similarly, P of B is how much? B liking the book is 4 by 7. B not liking the book is how much? 3 by 7. Next, third one. Him liking the book is how much? 3 by 7. And him not liking the book is how much? AC complement is how much? 4 divided by 7. How did you get that 7? 3 plus 4. Okay. How did you get the 7 here? 5 plus 2. Likewise, you just add A plus B. Okay. Now people, what is the probability that out of 3 reviewers, majority will be favorable? Majority will be favorable means among 3 people, what is the majority? Either it should be like by 2 people or it should be like by 3 people. So I will just write case 1. Okay. First case. A like, B like and C doesn't like. Or case 2. What is the second case? A like, B doesn't like, C likes. Or third case. A doesn't like, B like, C like. Or last case. All of them like. So it will be P of A into P of B into P of C complement plus P of A into P of B complement into P of C plus P of A complement into P of B into P of C. Finally, all of them like. All of them like means what? P of A into P of B into P of C. Now put the values, get the answer within a second. If an unbiased die is rolled once, okay, one time we are rolling a die. The odds in favor of getting a point which is a multiple of 3. Okay, odds in favor of getting a number which is a multiple of 3, you should tell me. Okay. Now people, unbiased die is rolled once. Sample space is what? What all numbers are possible? 1 is possible, 2 is possible, 3 is possible, 4 is possible, 5 is possible, 6 is possible. Now if you ask me, which all are multiple of 3? 3 is a multiple of 3, then 6 is a multiple of 3. Odds in favor of getting a point which is a multiple of 3 means 2 is 2. How many are not multiple? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 is to 4 is the multiple. So if you cancel, it will be 1 is to 2. Which option is the answer? Option A is the answer. So these are the type of question they can ask with respect to your odds in favor. Okay, I kept the worst type of question so that you can understand the types. Okay, I hope everyone got this. Then we will go on to the concept of combination. We will merge combination over here. Now the next revision will be next week. Okay, people. Next week we will have the revision. Okay. Then during the time of revision, we will start off with combination. Then after finishing combination and permutation and combination, we will go for chapter number 1. Okay, chapter number 1. I know that many people have difficulty in logarithm and all. We'll try to take different type of question. I'll keep like ratio one day, proportion one day, then everything different day I'll keep it, and I'll solve question so that you will understand all the types of questions. Okay, we'll do that. Now, first question be, a bag contains 3 white, 5 black balls, and a second bag contains 4 white and 2 black balls. If one ball is taken from each bag, the probability that both the balls are white is the question. You can try. Anyway, we have enough time. So I have only few more questions. Take 30 seconds. I'll give you 30 seconds. Based on your knowledge of permutation, combination, you can start working. 1 second, stopwatch. Stopwatch starts now. Timer starts now. You can take 30 seconds, people. 26 more seconds. Try. It's a very good question and a very easy question. Correct. Options C or B? Check again. Yeah, time up. Can I try? Yes. Now, first of all, we need to find the value of n of s. What is basic probability of P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of s. That means we should know the total outcomes. Okay. First case, we will read the question again. A bag contains 3 white, 5 black, and a second bag contains 4 white and 2 black balls. If one ball is taken from each bag, so one ball is taken from each bag. That means from the first bag I am taking 1 ball, and from the second bag I am taking 1 ball. People, first bag I am taking, so total how many balls are there? 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8. So 8C1 is the number of balls taken from the first bag. Some of you understood that? And means multiply. Then how many balls I am taking from the second bag? 1. That is how much? 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. 6C1. So it will be what? 8 into 6, which is equal to 48. Okay. Now n of A. What is the condition? Both the balls are white. That means from the first bag I should take a white ball. So how many white balls are there? 3. From 3 I am choosing how much? 1. And from the second bag, how many white balls are there? 4. So 4C1. So 3 into 4 is how much, people? 12. So answer is how much? 12 divided by 48, which is equal to how much? 1 by 4. Option B is your answer. Understood? Yes or no? You got it? Yes. Online, everyone got it? Aditya, Swati, everyone, are you getting it? Please tell me. Okay. Next one, I hope everyone understood this, because this is the basic knowledge, basic questions which can come for examination. Okay. Next one, people. Have a look at this. Exactly 3 girls are to be selected from 5 girls and 3 boys. Okay, how many girls are to be selected? 3 girls are to be selected from 5 girls and 3 boys. Probability of selecting 3 girls will be how much is the question? Very easy question. N of S. That means we should choose how many people die in total. 3 people should be chosen. From how much? Total how many are there? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So from 8 we are choosing 3. 8C3 is how much? 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 factorial. We know that 3 factorial is how much? 6. So 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 6, which is equal to 50. Yes, total. We should always, whenever we consider total sample space or total people, number of people we are choosing from, we should always consider what? Total number of people. Okay. Now, N of A. There we will only consider girls. Why? Because the question is probability of selecting 3 girls. So how many girls are there in total now? 5 girls are there. So from 5 I am choosing 3. 5C3 can be written as 5C2. That is 5 into 4 divided by 2, which is equal to how much? 10. So you tell me the answer. P of A is equal to 10 divided by 56, which is nothing but what? 5 by 28. Or use your calculator. Okay. Option A is your answer. Very easy question. Okay. Yes. Any doubt? You can tell. Everyone got this? Next question is this one. It's a very interesting question. Hi Alan, how are you? Yes. Next one. Yes, Nithin. Got it? Yes, Samir. Fine. Yes, Avas. Yeah, I still remember everyone's name. Okay. Yes. I'm telling you, he will catch you each and every day till the day of examination. Okay. Fine. Revise. Are you guys getting the logic? CA Foundation examination can be cleared easily with continuous revision and practice. Okay. I'm telling you, do that every day. You will pass. No matter what, you will pass. That's the reality. Yes. Now people, try. 5 people, a team of 5 is to be selected from 8 boys and 3 girls. That means N of S will be how much? In total, how many are there? 11. From 11, I am choosing how much? 5. So 11C5 is the denominator value or N of S value. So which is how much? 11 into 10 into how much? 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 120. Why 120? 5 factorial is how much? 120. Give me the answer. 462. Huh? So which is 462. Everyone got 462? Use calculator. How to use calculator? Multiply everything, divide with 120. Then people, N of A is the catch over here. Look at the condition. It includes 2 particular girls. 2 particular girls are included means what? Already 2 girls are selected. How many more should be selected? How many more should be selected? 3 more should be. So I mean in total of a team of 5 is to be selected from 8 boys and 3 girls. Okay. 2 girls are already selected. That means how many remaining people we should select? 3 people. But from how many we will choose that 3? That is not a condition for us. Yes, 2 girls are particularly already there. That is already selected. That means it can be 2 boys or 1 girl. But from how many remaining people we are choosing that? From 9 remaining people. Why? Because 2 girls are already selected. That means how many are remaining? 9 are only remaining. So 9C3 is our numerator. That is 9 into 8 into 7 divided by what? 6. Which is equal to how much people?
84.
84. So answer is what? The P of A is equal to 84 divided by 462. How much is the answer, people? 2 divided by 11. Everyone got option C? Yes. Next question. 4 persons are chosen at random from a group of 3 men, 2 women, 4 children. Probability that exactly 2 of them are children is the question. Try. You can try this question. Okay. You can try this. You can try this and comment your answers. Okay. If you are watching in app, you comment in the discussion column. We'll have a discussion. If you are doing it here, you try it and tell me the answer. If you are watching it online, comment it there. Okay. Yes. Try this question. Take a picture of this question. Very easy question if you ask me. 4 persons are chosen from a group of how much now? 3, 2 and 3 men, 2 women and 4 children. N of S will be how much? N of S means 4 people should be chosen from 3 plus 2 plus 4 is how much now? That is 9 people. From 9 people I am choosing 4 people. That is N of S. I am just giving that spoiler. N of S is how much? 9C4, which is equal to how much? 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by how much? Divided by in total how many are there? 24. 4 factorial means how much? That is 24. Cancel everything, which is equal to how much?
126.
126. Okay, 126 is the N of S value. Now N of A is a question mark. You should tell me N of A is how much? Probability that exactly 2 of them are children. Exactly 2 of them are children means 2 should be children no matter what, correct? 2 should be children no matter what. So, from 4 children I am choosing how many? 2 children and, okay, 2 are already children. Then, how many are remaining people? In total, how many are remaining? 4 are children. From that I chose 2. Then how many are remaining? Is 7 remaining or 5 remaining? That is the question mark I am going to give. Okay. So, my question is, from 4 I chose 2 children, correct? Then we should consider the remaining 2 people. That remaining 2 people should be women, then can be men, can it be children?
The 7.
Can it be children?
Yeah.
We don't know. You can tell me. That's why I told you. Comment on this. Okay. Come back for our next revision with this particular thing. And rest of you online, please comment. Okay.
Sir, 5 by 2 because exactly 2
I'm not telling now. I'm not commenting now. I'll comment later. Okay. Yes. Think about it. Yes. It's a very good, nice question, but an easy question. Many people told the answer already, but I'm not going to comment on the question. Yes. See ya.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. I'm not commenting now. Yes. Come back so that you will come back for the later revisions. Okay. Yes. Final question, people, for today's lecture. Today's revision. A bag contains 5 red balls, 4 blue balls, and m green balls. If the random probability of picking 2 balls is 1 by 7, that means P of A value is already given, which is equal to how much now? 1 by 7. Then, what is the number of green balls is the question. People, P of A is what? N of A divided by N of S, which is equal to how much? 1 by 7. Now, the question is what? A bag contains how many balls? 5 red, then 4 blue, then m green. That means total how many balls are there? Total balls is equal to 9 plus m. Okay, 9 plus m. So N of S will be what? 9 plus m C. What? How many balls are selected? If random picking 2 green balls. 2 green balls means how many balls should be selected? 2 balls should be selected. So 9 plus m C2 is our N of S value. Then N of A value will be what? We should choose how many green balls? 2 green balls. That is chosen from how many balls? From m balls we are choosing 2 balls. Now substitute, option hit. MC2 divided by 9 plus m C2, which is equal to 1 by 7. People, you are going to do what? Option hit. Okay, try. Option. Yes, Kumaran. Yes. Try option hitting, get me the answer. That means LHS should be equal to RHS. LHS is how much? 1 by 7. If you want, you can write the RHS is how much? 1 by 7. So if you want to write in decimal value, you can write it in decimal value. How much is 1 by 7 in calculator? RHS is how much?
Sir, 0.142.
0.142. That is your RHS value. Now people, some people are telling option C. Try option C. That means 6C2 divided by 9 plus 6. That is how much? 15C2. Now try. Which is equal to 6 into 5 divided by 2 divided by what? 15 into 14 divided by 2. Now take me the answer or give me the answer in calculator, which is equal to how much? 30 divided by 15. 30 divided by 15 divided by 14. How much is it? 0.142, which is equal to our LHS. So LHS and RHS are equal in this particular case. So which option is the right answer? Option C is your right answer. Very easy question. This basic logic is used here. Now I will just randomly sum up certain things. What if there are 10 red balls, 5 black balls and 6 yellow balls? What is the probability of choosing 3 yellow balls is how much? Probability of choosing 3 yellow balls. Denominator will be what? In total, how many balls are there? 10 plus 5 plus 6 is how much? 21. From that, how many we are choosing? 3. So total probability is 21 C3. Now we are choosing 3 yellow balls from how many yellow balls? 6 C3. So take the value 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 21 into, so one more thing, divided by what? 6. The entire thing divided by 21 into 20 into 19 divided by 3 factorial is how much? 6. Now cancel things and get me the answer. This cancel. Yes, how much is it?
0.015.
0.015. Everyone got 0.015? Yes. Fine. Now the next one. Next one is over here. Probability of getting if 3 cards are chosen from a deck of cards, find the probability that the cards are face cards. Okay, cards are what? Face cards. Now you tell me, N of S will be how much? Now 3 cards are chosen from how many cards? 52. So 52 C 50, yeah, 52 C3. That is how much? 52 into 51 into 50 divided by 6. How much is it? 22542. Then that is N of S. N of A is how much now? Face cards. Total how many face cards are there? 12 face cards are there. From 12 face cards, how many we are choosing? 3. That means 12 C3. That means 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 6.
22
100. Previous one, na? Okay. Fine. So this is how much? 220. Correct. Now P of A is equal to how much then? 220 divided by 22100. How much is the answer, people? Give me in decimals.
0.009.
0.099.
Sir, 00.
0.0099. Okay. Yes. Fine. Now I think whatever may be the selection, you will be able to answer, right? Yes. Now I will make it little more complicated. Now the same question itself, people, just take the same question. If 3 cards are chosen from a deck of cards, find the probability that 2 cards are face cards, and 1 is a number card. You should just tell me N of A. N of A only will change. N of A will become what? 2 cards are face card means what? How many face cards are there in total? 12. From that we are choosing 2. So 12 C2. And means into. How many number cards are there, people? In total, how many number cards are there?
40.
In total, how many number cards are there? In total, how many number cards are there? 2 is a number card, 3 is a number card, 4 is a number card, 5 is a number card, 6 is a number card, 7 is a number card, 8 is a number card, 9 is a number card, 10 is a number card. So in each suit, there is 9 cards. 9 into 4 is how much? 36. So from 36, we are choosing 1. Okay, 1 is not there. Okay, which is how much? 12 into 11 divided by 2 into 36. How much is it?
2376.
2376, which is equal to 2376. Then n of s we already have. What was it? 22100. So P of A is equal to 2376 divided by 22100. This will give you the answer. Got it? Yes. So whatever may be the question they are asking, we will be like, oh, whatever question it is, we will solve using P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. That's why I told you from the beginning itself, this formula is important. If you use this logic, all the question will become easier. Okay. Now, what if a question is like this? Probability of Ram solving a question is equal to 3 by 21. Probability of Suresh solving is same question, which is 4 by 36. Find probability that the question is solved. Question is what? Question is solved. Now, what are the conditions we can take here? Now, first case, Ram is solving, that means P of R. Then Sham is also, Suresh is also solving, that is P of S. Or second case will be what? Ram is not solving, but Suresh is solving. Then third case is what? Suresh is solving, Suresh is not solving, Ram is solving. For that, we require the value of P of R complement, right? P of R complement is how much? 1 minus 3 by 21. That is how much? 18 by 21. Then P of S complement is how much now? 32 divided by 36. Put the values. P of R is how much, people? That is nothing but 3 by 21 into 4 by 36 plus R complement is 18 by 21 into P of S is how much? That is 4 by 36 plus P of S complement is how much? S complement is, oh, this is S complement. Yeah, that is how much? 32 divided by 36 into P of R is how much? 3 by 21. Yes. For such type of question, we will just take the denominator. Denominator is how much? 21 into 36 is how much? Yes. 21 into 36 is how much? 7, 5, 6. So 3 into 2, 12 plus 18 into 4. 18 into 4 is how much? 18 into 4 is how much? 72 plus 32 into 3 is how much? 96. Then add and take the ratio. Rather than doing everything in calculator, this will give the answer much faster. Which is how much? 1, 1. Is it how much? The numerator is how much? 180. 180 divided by 756. Your answer is how much? 0.238. Okay. Yes. Now a final question I will ask her. Yes. Before anyway we have time. 8 more minutes are there. P of A is equal to 3 by 8. Okay. P of A is equal to what? 3 by 8. What is the odds in favor of getting A? Odds in favor. Okay. Odds in favor of getting A is equal to how much? Whenever it is odds in favor, we will write the P of A value. We will not consider what? Complement. So answer will be 3 is to 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. 3 is to 5 will be the odds in favor. Then odds against will be what? Odds against will be not 8. 8 minus 3 we should consider. Denominator it was always like what? A plus B, here it is what? A. So it will be what? B should be there. What is the answer? 5 is to 3.
Sir, for odd seconds, A divided by A plus B.
For odd seconds, you can take like the ulta, you can always take it. Against means it will be B divided by A plus B. That way you can think. Okay. Logically, you can always answer. So that's all for your probability chapter, people. Revise more questions. Do the workbook. Solve each and every question of workbook. If you are having doubt in any of the question on workbook, you can refer the video which I have shared with you guys. Okay, you can refer that and you can wind up the probability you should get the full marks out of. It's a very easy chapter. The problem is we are not studying it. Yes, correct. So that's all, people. We will catch up next week with the next revision. So next week we will be doing permutation. Okay. Then after that combination, then ratios, then proportion. Likewise, we will go. Then towards, after one set is done, we will go for mathematics of finance. Then chapter 14, chapter 13, everything we will be doing. Okay, then people. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good night. Take care. Yes. Fine, everyone online. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I'll attach this PDF also. I'll send it in the group also for you guys. Okay. Others, you can download it. It will be there in the description. Yes.